Hey there folks, this is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 3875 Fay Boulevard here in Port St. John, Florida. We are technically in Cocoa here in Port St. John. A little bit of view, but Port St. John's an amazing area to live in the Cocoa area. So you walk in, we got a nice big living room area. And then we've got a little kitchen nook here. Nice little galley kitchen. That pretty refrigerator. And so this is going to be the guest side of the home. So over here we've got 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So we've got bedroom 1. This home was built in the 1980s, so we don't have to worry about the cast iron piping here, so yay. So we've got 2 bedrooms on this side. We've got our guest bathroom. And we do need a little bit of cosmetic work here. Paint job would be super cool in here. We are going to head over to the primary bedroom next. So we got a nice sized primary bedroom. Check this out. We do have a walk-in closet. Got a shower. Vanity area, cute little shelves over there. I love having little shelves in houses because you can put all your little knickknacks and cool stuff. Another view of the living room area from this side. And then this house is super cool, folks. You got this extra room over here, which honestly, if you needed a bedroom number 4, you could put a door there. But we do have a nice sized bedroom here, some cool shelving, great playroom or video room, more shelving here. Little nook on the side, and it does have a laundry room on this side, but check out this laundry room, guys. Look at this. Woo! I love an inside laundry room, and I love it even more when I have tons of space. Anyway, folks. All right, so now we've seen the house. We've got 3 bedrooms plus this flex room, living room, kitchen, nice little dining area. And now we're gonna go outside, folks, and you are in for a treat because this yard is huge out here. So, look at this patio. This is a big patio. Look at all this space. And excuse the fact that we did have a little cold snap here in Florida. And honestly, cold snap in Florida, you know, when it gets down anywhere near 30, all of our wonderful, pretty stuff dies because it is not used to the cold here at all. We don't like cold here in Florida. As it's March and you see the pretty green grass, everything is growing back again. We got a nice little fire pit here. And do a little cruising around the yard so that you can see all the space. So we got plenty of side yard. So that opens and it's a nice storage area, but I'm not gonna lie, there's a spider web over there and I am such a flipping wimp when it comes to spiders that I can't open that. It does run that whole section. It is a nice size area, but you're gonna have to come see it yourself and help me get rid of the spider web. So this is the shed and it does have a wall unit over there for AC. So we do have electrical. Check this out, folks. Isn't that an amazing shed? Think of a nice workspace. I personally think it's pretty cool. We all have too much stuff. So very good storage area. So again, folks, I'm at 3875 Fay Boulevard here in Port St. John, Florida. And folks, we just dropped the price on this one. We are at $269. So can you imagine $269 for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a flex room, inside laundry, huge shed in the yard, obviously a huge yard, plenty of space for a pool, Got the fire pit area over there. So tons of amazing things here, folks. If you would like to take a look at this home in person or have any questions, give me a call. My number is 321-480-7662. Again, 321-480-7662. Call or text anytime. And your favorite Space Coast Realtor, Margaret Klein, signing off. Bye-bye.